Hello, chess enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring an intriguing chess scenario that often leads to surprising outcomes: stalemate. It's a chess result that is neither a win nor a loss, and understanding it is vital for every chess player. So let's dive into the world of stalemate and unlock its secrets together. First things first, what exactly is a stalemate? Stalemate occurs when a player's king is not in check, but they have no legal moves left on the board. In other words, their king is not under attack, but it's cornered, unable to move without moving into check. Stalemate can happen for various reasons. It might be due to a player's careless moves, their opponent's careful defense, or even a well-executed tactic. Stalemate results in a draw, which means the game ends without a clear winner. It's neither a victory nor a loss, but it's a fascinating outcome that showcases the complexity and depth of chess. You might be winning your game and about to checkmate the opponent's king, but if you fall under stalemate, it's a draw. Let's take a look at some examples. In this position with white to move, if white moves queen here, the game would be a stalemate because black's only piece, the king, does not have any legal squares to move to, and black is not in check. In this position with white to move, if white moves queen here, the game is not stalemate because even though black's king does not have any legal moves, black's pawn has legal moves left. In this position, black looks losing. Black only has king and queen, and the king is trapped, and white is threatening to checkmate on the next move. It looks really bad for black, but can black draw the game? Notice black king does not have any legal moves. If black queen disappears, if it's black to move, the game will be stalemated. Can black make it happen? In this position, if black's queen takes the pawn and gives a check, white's only move to get out of check is to capture the queen with the king. Now it's black to move, and the game is stalemate, since black does not have any legal moves, and black is not in check. Recognizing the potential for a stalemate, whether you're the player looking to save the game or the one aiming to secure the draw, is a vital skill in chess. It can turn the tide of a match and prevent unnecessary losses. Remember, stalemate is a testament to the complexity of chess, and it adds an extra layer of strategy to the game. It can be a saving grace when you're losing or a tactical resource when you need to secure a draw. If you found this exploration of stalemate intriguing and educational, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more captivating chess insights. Chess is a world of surprises, and mastering every aspect of the game is what makes it endlessly fascinating. See you in the next video.